Hello students, today again I am here in front of you. Now I am going to start third practical of class 12 science. Now this is the third experiment. So the experiment aim is to prepare 250 ml of M by 50 ferrous ammonium sulfate solutions. It means we have to prepare a solution which molarity has given M by 50. Now the materials is required for this: weighing balance, weighing tube, spatula, volumetric flask, funnel and pipette. So these are the requirement. It will be used for ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. Now chemicals required. So in this the chemicals required are ferrous ammonium sulfate. So shortly I am going to show you now how to prepare 250 ml solution of ferrous ammonium sulfates. I am going to show you as a demo. Students, before we are going to prepare the solutions, first we are going to show now what the chemicals are required. So first of all, this is the weighing balance. See, this is weighing balance. We have to weigh our ferrous ammonium sulfate solution in this by the help of this weighing balance. See, this is weighing tube. In this weighing tube, we have to weigh the weight of ferrous ammonium sulfate. This is a spatula. With the help of the spatula, we have to take out ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now see, this is volumetric flask. The capacity of volumetric flask is 250 ml. It has been marked at here. See, it has been marked the level of 250 ml. This is funnel. This is pipette. Now the capacity of this pipette is 10 ml and the 10 ml mark is here. See the line of. Okay, so now first of all we are going to weigh the weight of ferrous ammonium sulfate with the help of weighing balance. So first of all we have to take the weighing tube. In this weighing tube we have to weigh the ferrous ammonium sulfate, but we don't know how we have to weigh the weight. We don't know the amount. So first of all we have to calculate. Now there is a one formula we have to follow. By this formula we can find out the weight of. So the formula is M equals to W upon M multiplied by 1000 upon volume in ml. Okay, so now this M is indicating molarity. It has been given by 1 by 50. We have to put all the values. Weight we have to find now, and it is M has given 392 multiplied by 1000 upon volume has given 250 ml. When we will solve, it will come W is equals to 1.96 gram. So this is the weight of ferrous ammonium sulfate, 1.96 gram. We are taking a weighing tube and we will keep on weighing balance. Now its weight of 3.98 grams. So we have to tear this weight, that will show the 0, and after that we will fill ammonium ferrous sulfate in this weighing tube. See the color of ferrous ammonium sulfate. See, now it is just near close to 9.18. It is near the weight of 9.6 gram. Again we have to take, see, this is volumetric flask. In volumetric flask, with the help of funnel, we will pour this ferrous ammonium sulfate, and after that we will add water. Now first of all we will take now small amount of water and we will mix the all particle of ferrous ammonium sulfate until we will mix that all the particle has been not dissolved. Now see, all the particle of ferrous ammonium sulfate has been dissolved. Now in this volumetric flask we have to fill the water till level 250 ml. Slowly we have to fill the water. Now see, when we will reach near the level of 250 ml, now stop here. Remaining part of the volumetric flask, with the help of pipette, see, this is the pipette. By the help of pipette we will fill the remaining part of volumetric flask. See, why I am doing so? Because when we will fill with the help of pipette water into this volumetric flask, see, drop wise we will fill it. Now see, be careful, slowly we have to drop the water. Okay, now see, the level of 250 ml. This line has been indicate the level of 250 ml. We have filled the water level 250 ml, and now after that with the help of this top we will close it. Now our standard solution of 250 ml ferrous ammonium sulfate is had been prepared. See, now safely we can keep. Now student, I hope you are getting now how to prepare the standard solution of M/50 ferrous ammonium sulfate. Thank you.